like I do. Ooh, ooh, look at my view. What about you? Going to school, looking cool, rocking pink. What do you think? P.I.O.D., P.I.O.D. Yeah, yeah, that's me. Looking precious, that's me. Good grades, that's me. Don't you see, that's me, that's me. I do it all now, that's me. Yeah, yeah, that's me. Yeah, no, that's me. Walking through, looking cute with my new shoes and my new clothes too. Drive to the mall, watch me ball, follow your dreams, girl, you a queen. Queen. Girl, you a queen. Always follow your dreams. I was looking in school, thinking on how I do. Now I'm homeschooled, booking shows on the go. Booking busy, that's how I like to roll. I'm back once again with a harder flow. Oh, who is you? Oh, who is you?
Find out.
The boss girl, boss man, never had a price man. Checking out the bank, got some cash that I might spend. Give me a clap of hands before I smack you with my bands. Why I do this dance? Can I get a crowd of fans?
Okay.
Look at me when I come through with that green. Mama keep me in check, so I'm always gonna have respect. So don't try to play me, my sweat be looking crazy. I play hard, but I work hard. Yeah, yeah, I think smart. This rap game was never thing I wanted. That's play, hit play, turn me up. I'm getting older, vision older. Yeah, yeah, my check longer been dripped out since a baby. Yeah, yeah, but not a baby. So cool, I stay on the rules. I be in my zone, so you know I ain't wrong. Money in the bank, I'll be the check. If you understand me, you'll get the rest. Yeah, 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 you'll get the rest. If you ask me, Mariah's the best. Yeah, 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 Mariah's the best. Put me in class, I pass every test. Yeah, 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 I pass every test. Boss girl.
Thank you guys. Y'all can follow my Instagram at Mariah Mine. That's MYRIAHAMA.
Yeah.
Yes, make some more noise for Mariah. Takes a lot of hard work for these kids to come out here and do what they do for y'all. Y'all better show some love. For your next act, say yeah!
We're one of the hottest young artists in Atlanta today, Mariah Amani. How are you? Now, you just finished performing at Atlanta Streets Alive.
Yes, I did.
Okay, you did real good. You was out there hopping and popping and whatnot. Okay, so how long you been doing music?
Since I was like 7 years old.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I did.
I know I can tell. That was an obvious question. Okay, so here's one that's not so obvious. Who's your inspiration right now?
My inspiration, I would say my auntie and my mom and my family members.
Oh, okay, awesome sauce. Okay, now you know music isn't the easiest industry to be a part of. Okay, so I'm sure you got some haters. Okay, some people who probably try to discourage you to do music. What did you do to stay on the path?
Just be yourself and just don't listen to the haters if they gotta say this. All matters about you, what you wanna do. So yeah, that's how I say.
Okay. Now, I wouldn't be a responsible adult if I didn't ask you about school. How's school going?
School's going good.
It's going good. What's your favorite subject?
I'll say ELA.
Okay, cool. Now, if you could work with any artist that's in the industry right now, who would it be?
This is a good question. Like young artists or like any type of artist?
Just any artist, yeah.
I would say Run B. She's a good artist. Or if it's like a kid artist, I would say like Lonnie Love or somebody like that.
Okay, so Run B and Lonnie Love, get at my girl. Okay, get at my girl. Tell everybody where they can find you.
Y'all can find me on my Instagram, Mariah Mine. That's MYRIAHAMA.
All right, WQBB 97.3. Checking in with Mariah Amani.